Hi everyone, welcome back to Modern Homesteading with Tessa. I'm Tessa and this is a channel where I show you how to feed yourself. Today, I'm going to show you how ridiculously easy it is to make your own mayonnaise. So first, we need 1 egg, preferably from your own chickens or chickens that you know. They have to be happy chickens. 1 cup of some kind of oil. Today I'm using sunflower oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. A tablespoon of lemon juice. And an immersion blender. All the way to the bottom. Done. Mayonnaise. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. As always, like this video if you like this video and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.